Hello explorers, welcome back to English Explorers with Ridhima. And today we are going to explore the wonderful world of pronouns. Pronouns are essential tools in the English language, helping us to communicate more clearly and efficiently. Let's dive into what pronouns are, how we use them, and why they are so important. Pronouns are short words and can do everything that nouns can do and are one of the building blocks of a sentence. A pronoun can act as a subject, direct object, indirect object, object of the preposition, and takes the place of any person, place, animal, or thing. They make our sentences less repetitive and easier to understand. For example, instead of saying Ridhima is teaching English, Ridhima loves teaching, we can say Ridhima is teaching English, she loves it. The words she and it are pronouns that replace Ridhima and teaching respectively. In nearly all cases, a pronoun must follow an expression called an antecedent. This basically means that a pronoun can only really be understood in the context of prior information about the noun. Now let's understand how pronouns play a crucial role in communication. First, they help us avoid repetition. By using pronouns, we don't have to repeat the same nouns over and over, which makes our speech and writing more natural and fluid. For example, John went to the store. John bought some bread. John also bought some milk. Versus, when we use the pronouns, the sentence will be like this. John went to the store, he bought some bread and also bought some milk. Secondly, they help us in clarifying relationships. Pronouns can show the relationship between different people or things in a sentence, making the meaning clearer. For example, my sister told me her secret, she trusts me. The pronoun she clarifies who is being referred to. Also, they provide emphasis. Pronouns can be used for emphasis or to focus attention on a particular person or thing. For example, it is you who made the difference. The pronoun you is emphasized to highlight the person responsible. There are several types of pronouns, and each of them serve a different purpose. Here are the main ones: personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, relative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, and many more. We will explore each type in detail in our future videos. But for now, remember that pronouns are like the building blocks of language, helping us to communicate effectively and smoothly. That's it for today's lesson on pronouns. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and subscribe for more fun and informative English lessons. See you in the next video and happy exploring.